May I come in, sir?
Okay.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Come in. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You are Mr. Harihar Dhal.
Yes, sir.
You are doing PG. What you have written? You are continuing sociology means OS.
Sir, Odisha State Open University, Sambalpur.
You are-
OSU, Odisha
Yes,
State
sir.
Open.
You are
Where?
doing PG.
Yes, sir.
You are doing PG where?
So, Odisha State Open University, Sambalpur. My study center is Fakirmohan Junior College, Baleswar.
Fakirmohan
Autonomous College, Baleswar.
Baleswar.
Yes, sir.
You are Ada HS. You are from Baleswar.
Yes, sir.
HSC. Where your Baleswar? Where is your home?
My home
Village?
is my village is Chhatrapur, sir, under Simulia block.
Chhatrapur.
Yes, sir.
Chhatrapur Ganjam.
No, sir. It's
Simili, Simili.
Simulia, sir.
Simulia, yes,
sir.
wonderful. Simulia. Baleswar, Ada HS certainly, first division, 86. You are not written any subject, na? And your degree college where? IDS degree college,
Yes, sir. Mayurbhanj.
Mayurbhanj. Chemistry honors.
Yes, sir.
You have choosing your subject, sociology and
Home science.
home science. You tell home science, the department, the name of the home science department has changed very recently. What is its name? New name?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm unaware of it.
Okay. Community department, community.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I have to.
You might have had community medicine.
Yes, sir.
Doctor, in that name, I think they have interpolated.
Okay, sir. I have to look upon it.
In sociology,
Yes, sir.
which subjects you have gone through? Indian society, sociological thinker. Who is the main philosopher in and elite and mass? You have read elite, ELITE,
Yes, sir.
and mass. Like Max Weber, you tell other name.
Sir, the names that are coming to my mind is Karl Marx, the thinkers that I've read. Oh, sorry, sir.
Elite and mass. Elite, I am telling.
I'm sorry.
That
sir.
is bureaucracy.
Yes, sir.
Bureaucracy. Weber like bureaucracy. Weber has the main philosopher. Weber
Yes, sir.
in bureaucracy.
Yes, sir.
Like that. Who is it? Mosca?
Yes, sir. Pareto and Mosca.
Ah,
Yes, sir. I'm getting, sir.
you got it.
Yes, sir. I've got it.
You tell what is the difference between sociology and political sociology, because sometimes political sociology is also taught in political science
Yes, sir.
in one of the subject
Yes, sir.
as your professional subject or additional subject.
Yes, sir.
Sociology you might have read.
Yes, sir.
You tell what is the difference.
So, the discipline sociology is primarily associated with society and its institutions as a overall, sir. It deals with the religion, deals with the caste system, and deals with other aspects of the society. But when I am talking about the political sociology, it deals with those institutions which are coming under the arena of political science as well as the sociology. For example, sir, studying about the power relations, studying about the political relations under the social purview, that is coming under the purview of political sociology, sir. For example, if I am analyzing the impact of religion on election, that I am actually studying political sociology, sir.
If it is power, legitimacy, authority, whether it will cover under sociology or political sociology.
So it will come under the both the sociology and the political sociology, but it will be more inclined towards political sociology.
Yes, that was there also.
Yes,
what
sir.
you are telling. Sociology, in sociology, there is caste, class, and structure.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by structure? Is there any fragmentation part in structure, or will you give importance to class or caste? Previously it was caste. Consequently, it has been changed due to social transformation.
Yes, sir.
That you might have gone through. Who is the prominent author in caste, class, and structure?
Prominent author, sir.
Author. Book you have gone through.
I have not read any specific book about the three terms, sir. But in my syllabus, I have read. Okay.
You tell what is the difference between class and caste?
Yes, sir. So the main difference between the caste and class is one is inherited, but the other is not, sir. We inherit our caste, but we are not inheriting our class. In our lifestyle, in throughout of our life, we cannot change our caste, sir. But with hard work, determination, and using the facilities available in the society, we can change our class, sir. So one is ascriptive, other is not, sir. One is open system of stratification, which is the class, sir. But caste, on the other hand, is a closed system of stratification, where the mobility is negligible, sir.
What is caste? And you might have gone through one prominent author of that is JNU, Andrew Betley.
Yes, sir, I have read.
That is caste and class. You might have gone. Have you read in Indian concept caste in Indian politics by Rajni Kothari?
I have not read the book, sir, but I have read Rajni Kothari.
What he has told. It is not the caste that gets class that gets written. It is the caste that gets politicized.
Yes, sir.
Who has said this?
Rajni Kothari, sir.
That I am telling. That is very important sentence.
Yes, sir.
In sociology.
Yes, sir.
What is subculture? Culture you have read in sociology.
Yes, sir.
What is subculture?
Can I make some guess, sir?
Guess is not. You know exactly. You tell.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm unable to recall what exactly the subculture.
Culture, subculture is very important.
Okay, sir.
That Jallikattu and that bullock cart race belongs to which state?
Tamil Nadu, sir.
What Supreme Court has opined or gave his views about Jallikattu?
I'm just unable to recall it, sir. I have to read about
It
it again.
It is a part of cultural heritage.
Okay, sir.
It is related to your sociology. Only the state can give their views whether that festival will be celebrated there or not.
Okay, sir.
In this regard, Supreme Court has no role. They have given direction to state. They should study it whether to carry on
the festival.
every year or not.
Okay, sir.
That is Jallikattu.
Okay, sir.
In sociology,
Yes, sir.
it is most of the time you will see there is radical transformation of the society,
Yes, sir.
and the views of how you correlate with the view of Karl Marx with the class struggle of the and in context of sociology.
So, radical transformation of sociology means some transformation in the sociology that is to be happened abruptly, sir. The Karl Marx had said in capitalism, when the exploitation will rise, sir, there will be a mass struggle that necessarily involves a struggle against the capitalist, and the mode of production will be changed to socialism and to communism later on, sir. So in the class struggle, the classes, what he has termed as the
History of class struggle, historical materialism there,
yes, sir.
dialectical materialism.
Yes, sir. There.
Then what is I have told you that bureaucracy Pareto is also there.
Yes, Pareto.
Pareto, Mosca,
yes.
that is in southern India. You see this in Karnataka or Lingayat, this other community plays very role.
Yes,
There was there any vote factors or any social fabrics. In social fabric, they play crucial role. Lingayat and other caste. What is besides Lingayat? Which caste comes into prominence in Karnataka? this all this pattern, the structural pattern of the caste plays a vital role in the politics
Yes, sir.
of the state or in any policy matter or any other societal issues.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I have not read. I have to read the dominant caste once again.
They will pay because that caste plays also in
The last
Andhra
election.
Pradesh. That is the Andhra Pradesh also.
Okay,
Reddy,
Yes, sir,
Koma,
Reddy. Yes,
that you will have to go through.
Yes, sir. I have not
They will
read.
ask, if development comes first or social change comes first? Which will give priority? Development come after social change or social change come after development?
Sir, I think both are correlated to each other, and it is very hard to signify which actually comes first because if there will be change in the society, then only people can think out of the box and the development can come. And also, if the development will come, then there will be more freedom and more institutions will be developed for which there will be more chances of what I can say the further development. So it is difficult to signify which one is coming first. Sir.
In the home science,
Yes, sir.
what you have read through, which topics you have read through, gone through?
I have gone through nutrition. I've gone through child development and adolescent development.
Child development.
Yes, sir.
Which part of the Indian constitution in which article?
It
You
comes-
cannot explode the child labours.
It comes under Article 22 and 23, sir, under fundamental rights.
23.
Yes, sir.
Then
23 under the fundamental rights, sir.
exploitation of child labours.
Child labor. Yes, sir.
Protection of child and adult labor. What do you mean by adolescent and adult?
Adolescent is a period of early adult also. It covers the age group between 14-15 to 17-18, sir. But adult is particularly 18 and above, sir.
18 and above,
Yes, sir.
adult.
Yes, sir.
How will determine the age? What will be your viewpoint and what will be your decision? Suppose Coal India people came to you.
Yes, sir.
As administrator, what will be your role there?
I can employ a medical team, sir, to determine the ages.
Which medical team? Of their medical doctors or state government doctors or panel board?
I'll
That
consult.
is medical board.
Is I'll definitely consult a medical board of having state doctors who can decide by their own way what should be the age.
What do you mean by maternity relief?
Maternity relief is the relief is the days of relief that is given to a mother who is pregnant, and also after the pregnancy is over for some period of time, sir.
How it differs from? How it differs from? That is mass suicide. What is called euthanasia? Mass killing.
Yes, sir.
How
Euthanasia.
it difference euthanasia and suicide?
Yes, sir. Euthanasia is a concept when a medical practice, a legal medical practitioner, on the request of the patient himself or the belongings of the patients, tries to give some medicines or by any other way a peaceful death to a person who is actually suffering from any disease and is unable to bear the pain anymore. But in case of suicide, sir, it is generally not as per the wish of the individual or the wish of his belongings, sir. It is maybe a forceful event, sir.
Will sociology come as a part of social science?
Definitely, sir, it comes under a part of social science.
That is Tata Institute of Social Science is there. So suppose you passed out from there.
Okay.
They have asked social science. You have applied. You will apply as a sociology graduate or postgraduate. Will you be eligible?
I think, sir, I will be eligible.
How you think?
Because
You
in,
take that.
yes, sir. Because in sociology, we are conducting the social researches. We are trained for the conduct of research, for the conduct of data collection, data simplification and analysis. On the basis of that, sir, I believe I can be eligible for that particular job.
But do you think now it is in political or sociological context, socio-economic context, is it feasible to draw like plan or to introduce or to implement or to come into force the universal civil code?
So if I look into the perspective, then Goa is a state which is actually following the Uniform Civil Code from decades. So from that point of view, yes, I am well convinced we can, the time is there, we can introduce the Uniform Civil Code. Provided, sir, there must be mass consultation and education for the people. People must understand what the Uniform Civil Code and how it is going to benefit and what are the threats, if any there. If not there, sir, there will be welcoming steps by the public itself to implement the Uniform Civil Code.
What is the difference, main difference between Gandhi and Karl Marx?
So,
Main difference. Tell.
the main difference that is coming to my mind, sir, is the revolution. Gandhi was never supported revolution as a mode of change of society, but Karl Marx necessarily believes there will be any revolution that will change the society from one mode of production to another mode of production. So it is the point of violence and it is the point of revolution that is coming to my mind right now. Must be a point where the two can be differentiated, sir.
What is Satyagraha? What is that? Is it not a revolution?
Yes, yes, sir. It is. Yes, sir. It is a revolution. But
You are telling Gandhi was not adopting any revolution.
Revolution.
He was not believing the revolution.
I'm really sorry,
So
sir.
are you? Why you are using this revolution is a negative way?
I'm really sorry for that, sir. I'm really
The
sorry.
main basic difference between Gandhi and Karl Marx is
Yes.
means follow the ends of Gandhi. Means follow the end.
Yes, sir.
Karl Marx ends follows the means.
Harihar,
Yes, sir.
be relaxed first of all, because I was listening to your answer. Just relax.
Just
take a very
relax,
good
relax.
mood. Then
In
after
good
this
mood.
is-
If you in louder voice,
Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir. I'm feeling comfortable.
don't be in such louder voice.
Okay, sorry, sir.
English nahi. We are suggesting because it's mock interview. If you go through, na, suddenly they will change you. Like this, what is the difference between Karl Marx and Gandhi?
Okay.
Understood? You
Yes,
can't answer.
Okay, Harihar,
Yes, sir.
you are now continuing this sociology in OSOE, Odisha State Open University.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
How many semesters you have completed?
Only one, sir.
Huh?
Only one.
So you are appearing the examination in Odia or English?
I'm appearing in English, sir.
English.
Yes, sir.
So what is the main objective of OSOE?
Odisha State Open University, sir.
What is the main objective?
Okay, sir. The main objective of Odisha State Open University is to provide distance learning education, sir, to those people who are on
IGNOU is providing distance education. So what is the difference between the IGNOU and OSOE? Because I am a resource person both of the IGNOU and Odisha State Open University.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I have to research upon it. What is the basic difference?
Because Odisha State Open University main objective to teach Odia in a remote area.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why they are making so many Odia script books and all those things.
Okay, sir.
So as you have taken sociology, my first question is very fundamental questions. What are the three-tier system of Panchayat Raj?
The three-tier system of Panchayat Raj is, sir, Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and Jilla Parishad.
Jilla Parishad. So tell me, discuss about the positive and negative consequence of 73rd constitutional amendment.
The positive consequences is, sir, it decentralized the political system. It actually gave an opportunity to the people to take part in the political process, what we call the participatory the democracy. But at the same time, sir, it actually decentralized the corruption as well.
So please give me example of the eco-friendly sustainable development in Odisha.
Eco-friendly, sustainable development.
development.
So the new buildings that are coming to the front under Smart Cities mission, that can be one of the examples of eco-friendly. Sir, we are using the bricks that are made up of dry ash, that can be an example of eco-friendly sustainable
How
development.
dry ash will help in in environment, how it is friendly to the human beings?
Yes, sir. This particular brick is actually made up of those particles which are harmful if they are remain untreated in the environment. So accumulating those things and making it is some useful product, I believe.
How do you know? In course of time, it will help to will reside in this. The human beings will reside in this particular house. So, do you think that these ash bricks are very useful? Or it is eco-friendly to the human beings. So, okay, the wastage product is used in cyclic form, or that is different thing.
Okay, sir.
What is eco-friendly? Why this term is used in sustainable development without destroying the natural resource?
Yes, sir.
How will do the things which is very much friendly to the environment, also the people will be benefit. Is there
Okay.
any example with you?
So the one example that is coming to my mind is the popularization of solar panels, the generation of power without harming the nature.
Very good.
Okay, the second thing may be a reduction of dependency on petrol and diesel by introducing electric vehicles.
Recently, the news is coming E20.
G20, sir?
E20.
E20.
What is that?
Okay, sir, I am unable to recall it. What is E20 basically?
E for ethanol. 20
Ethanol 20 blendings.
20% will mix with the petrol. So, the petrol rate will be decreased and it will be also useful to the environment.
Okay, sir.
The emission will be less.
Yes, sir.
Recently, government has taken steps
Okay, sir.
for E20 all over India.
Yes, sir.
So, there is a financial year, you know,
Yes, sir, financial year.
from March to February. This is the final March to March. Similarly, there is a agricultural year. Within a particular agricultural year, how many crops you are growing in a particular land? Are you following my point?
Yes, sir, getting.
Within a agricultural year,
Yes, sir.
how many crops you will yield from a particular field?
Very good.
That is multiple,
Multiple cropping.
more than one multiple crops.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is mixed farming?
Mixed farming, sir, cropping and at the same time, suppose animal rearing or poultry farming. That can be come under the purview of
What are
mixed
the
farming.
others?
So, suppose farming agriculture
So,
of
only to the thing is that you are telling only different type of there are poultry, fishing, only you do this or any other essence of that? What is the main essence of the multiple mixed farming?
mixed farming.
What is the main essence?
The main essence, sir, at the same time, different kind of agricultural activities can be done.
And that is you are telling mixed farming, so different type of the activities will be done.
Yes, sir.
What is the main essence of this? The byproducts will not be wasted, that will
Okay.
use recycling.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, Odisha is directly under the monsoon track or not?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
It is coming direct track of the monsoon.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the track of monsoon in Odisha?
So, southwest monsoon, sir.
It is coming through Odisha. What is the source of southwest monsoon?
So, the,
What is the source of southwest monsoon?
the moistures gathered from Arabian Sea.
From Arabian Sea, not from Bay of Bengal.
I'm sorry, sir, I have to read upon it. What is the source exactly?
What is the meaning of monsoon?
I have read it, sir, but I'm forgetting. This particular meaning was given by the Arabic traders.
Very good.
I'm just forgetting.
Very
sir.
good. What is the meaning?
I'm just forgetting, sir, what is the meaning exactly.
It is the real word of Arabic word is mawsam. Mawsam means seasonal wind.
Seasonal wind, okay.
How many seasons all over the world?
All over the world, sir?
What are the season? The
So-
world peoples are enjoying.
Sir, I think
Two seasons, summer and winter.
Winter,
In
yes.
summer season, wind will blow from a particular direction.
Direction.
In winter season, wind will blow from the opposite,
Opposite direction.
that is the monsoon.
Okay, sir.
So, the origin of monsoon is southeast trade wind. When it crosses the equator, it is bifurcated or divided into two parts. One is Bay of Bengal monsoon, this is Arabian Sea monsoon. गोटे जिनस हूँ एक्सट्रीमली टिके रही रही कह आउ टिके पोलाइटली कह तमे माने जमती फील करें जे अति बेसी जाना खराब किसी न जाना भी खराब बुझे किंतु अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत भल बहुत प्लस पॉइंट अच्छी न जाणी कि भूल रे किसी कहून बेले बेले टिके स्लीप हो जाए पटपट हो जानछ आ बहुत बढ़िया
सोशल ये भलो ये करछ धर बडा ये क्वेश्चन आसला यू कैन आंसर वेरी गुड बट इट डजंट मीन दैट यू नो
हाँ sir yes sir I completely got sir what I'm
so that is
like
my point.
Yes sir.
Okay Harihar I am very happy for your performance.
Yes sir.